Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm testing the performance of my Realme device by playing one of the most confusing horror games on Roblox, DOORS. Now don't expect serious gameplay here, because I have no clue what I'm doing in this game. I'm just opening doors, hiding in closets, staring at walls, and praying I don't get jump scared for real. I mean, what even is the goal here? Sometimes, I open a door, thinking a ghost will appear, but nothing happens. Other times, I scream at my own shadow. But through all this chaos, I'll give Realme credit. The game is running super smooth. No frame drops, no lag, and zero overheating. That's a win already. Alright, let's break this down properly. Here are some Realme advantages I noticed while playing. First, smooth performance. Even with random gameplay and high settings, the phone held up really well. Second, battery efficiency. I played for around 20 minutes and lost only about 8 to 10% battery. That's quite optimized. Third, no heating. Even after extended gameplay, the phone stayed cool, not even slightly warm. That's impressive. Fourth, responsive touch. In horror games, quick reactions matter, and I had zero touch delay. Super smooth experience. But hey, no device is perfect, right? So here are a few Realme disadvantages I noticed too. First, display brightness and color. Dark scenes in the game didn't look as sharp as I expected. A bit more brightness and contrast would have made the horror feel stronger. Second, speaker quality. While the sound was clear, it lacked depth. In a game like this, the spooky audio needs better bass to feel immersive. Third, RAM management. When I had a few apps open in the background, the game reloaded once or twice. Not a huge issue, but worth noting. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly device that can handle Roblox and similar games smoothly, Realme is absolutely a solid choice. It's not just running the game, it's handling it with zero issues. Add to that decent battery life, cool temperature, and responsive performance, and you've got a reliable phone for casual gaming. Yes, it could improve in a few areas, mainly sound and screen, but overall, I'm pretty happy with how it performed. If you enjoyed this chaotic, random test of Realme with Roblox DOORS, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below saying, "Realme back," if you made it till the end. I'll catch you in the next tech video. Till then, stay curious and stay techie.